So listen, y'all. I'm reading the Apocalypse of Moses, right? So when Adam and Eve was removed from paradise, okay? They was banished from paradise, right? Listen to this. Adam said to Eve, "This hath the Lord provided for animals and brutes to eat, but we used to have angels' food. But it is just and right that we lament before the sight of God who made us." So this tells you right here, before they was banished from paradise, y'all, they was eating angels' food. This is the Apocalypse of Moses. I'm talking about the life of Adam and Eve, okay? Let us repent with a great penitence. The Lord will be gracious to us. He'll have pity on us. Listen to this. They had searched for 9 days. 9 days, y'all, after they was banished. They had searched. And how is it possible that I should stretch forth my hand against my own flesh? Let us arrive and look for something to live on, that we fail not. They was looking for food. They was looking for food. For 9 days, they found nothing to eat, such as they were used to have in paradise, but found only animals' food. I'm telling y'all, listen, now let's talk about this. I want to talk about the angel diet, right? Because God revealed this to me. It says here, before they had got banished, go read the Apocalypse of Moses, because it talk about how they had angels food to eat in paradise, okay? The angel diet, it refers to a diet that promotes purity, lightness, or health, okay? You want to be airy and light as a feather, right? Your spirit. Okay, this is tied to spiritual or holistic practices. I'm talking about the angel diet, y'all. Okay, because I've been talking about spiritual or clean eating diet. So this is a diet that focuses on natural, unprocessed foods that are believed to purify your body, your mind, aligning with spiritual well-being. It can involve eating organic fruits, vegetables, whole grains, nuts, and seeds. So we are supposed to avoid processed foods, artificial ingredients, or anything deemed unnatural. Now, vegetarian or vegan diet. So listen, it may be associated with plant-based eating. Okay, salad, fruit salad, nuts, grains, seeds. So plant-based eating, okay, so that you can be cleaner, more compassionate, and aligned with the ideal of nurturing your body and your soul, right? I'm talking about the angel diet, okay, intermittent fasting, cleansing, detoxification, okay? You want to help your body to reset itself, right? So that you can maintain a sense of spiritual purity and physical purity as well, y'all. So that's why I created Soul Good Juicing Academy, so I can teach y'all how to juice, right? So you got to have a healthy eating plan. So listen, if you are looking for tips on healthy eating plan with a spiritual connection, I'd be happy to help you with that too. Okay, that's it, y'all. And make sure y'all go read this lost book, The Apocalypse of Moses, okay?